Trying to get some water. Hot hammer. We got Nana playing over there in the rocks. Nah. I still see you, Nah.
I don't pick up that break.
No, Nanny. Dang, girl, that water good? Mm-hmm. You pretty. There you go. So we just got baby chilling. We got the belly out. Got my phone on the ground. Can you get mommy phone? Thanks. Oh. Alright, y'all. So we're just chilling. And the girls, what you doing? You playing with the rope? Whee! Whee! You wanna whee? What? Huh, I think this one right here. You wanna tell Daddy come get it now? Now y'all both have one. Yay! Yay! So yeah, y'all. So today has been so good this morning. We woke up. We got good news. I'm not exactly sure when we're gonna expose those news, but yeah. So I see ya. Wow, Mama. Huh? Hi, pretty Nanny. You're so pretty. Your hair. Go get Daddy the water. So yeah, y'all. Just chilling. Look, y'all. Baby was cooking all this morning. Baby. No, Mama. Thou. Why are you irritating my daddy for it, thou? Why you got irritating my daddy for it, that thou? Let me see. Huh? Huh? Hey. So yeah, y'all, we're back outside. What are you talking about? For what? Huh?
You need to take your pre-note.
I forgot.
Yeah, you're in trouble.
I could still take it.
Yeah.
Okay. Get it ready. You found chalk? Oh my God. Did you find your chalk? Hi you guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is later on in the evening, you guys, more or less night now. It's like 8 o'clock now. I just laid the girls down. Ray is already asleep. She hasn't had a nap all day, so she went right to sleep. Nora is on her way to go to sleep. Same with her. She hasn't had a nap, so she should go to sleep fast. But did I take my prenatal today? Yes, I did. Yeah. Okay, so I took my prenatal, y'all. I'm good for the day. I think tomorrow we will come out with the good news for y'all. But right now I feel like it's just like too soon. I don't know. We're gonna let y'all guys know though. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a motivational day. Keep staying positive, be motivated, be beautiful, and stay humble. And keep pushing through all the hard stepping stones you gotta push through just to be what you want to be in life, you guys. You can do whatever you want to do. Just keep that great mindset and that powerful head. And y'all guys can do whatever y'all want to. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the video. This is going to be the end of the video. It is getting really late, y'all. I'm fixing to go get in the tub. I have an appointment I got to get to at 10 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta start getting ready to go to bed and wind down for the night. The girls are asleep. It's just me and Zay, so yeah, we got to get a little bit of work done tonight. Got to get in the tub and call it a night, you guys. So hopefully you guys had a motivational day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for all of our upcoming videos. We have a lot of fun ones and exciting ones coming for you guys, so just stay tuned. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe, the like, and share this video. Without further ado, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.